Hey YouTube. So I made a video last time of the hurricane that I told you that was coming, and look at it now. It's like you can't in person. It's like more harder, but look, I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. I can't zoom in. It's like over here. It's like full of water here, and there's like water here. So much water, but it actually looks darker. And look at that little tree. It's gonna fall out. Oh, look at that tree. I don't know if you can see it that, but in person you can see like it's moving. I don't know, but it's crazy out here. Really crazy. Yeah, you can see it's full of water here, there. That used to be. It used to have no water there. But look at it. It's been crazy. And it's been like cloudy all day. I cannot believe that, but we're just chilling here in the house, in my house. And that's it. Yeah, but I hope you guys have shelter and everything is packed up. But nothing else to say until this just happened. I already told you guys that in person it's darker, but in here it's way brighter. Oh, you can see like the water moving by the wind, like right here. I don't know if you can see it, but see, look how windy that is. See. You can't zoom in the videos, but you can see like waving here with the wind. And I think so that tree is gonna tip over. And I think so this is the safest place to park. Right there. No, maybe here, where my sister's car is. Cause here, if this floods, your car will be there. But there's like this is not the best place because there's a tree around it, as you can see, because of this, and it's gonna be like, and it's going. Oh, look how the wind is! Oh my God, it's like can you even see it? I don't know. But there's water here. The water is starting right now. Oh my God, and there's other tree over there. This is moving around slowly, but this one is going like more this way. Wow. Have I told you of this dog named Lana in the small video? She's a crazy dog. She's a playful dog. She wants this little toy. Lana, you want this? You don't want this? Come on. You don't want this? Fetch. No. So it's crazy. Oh look, you can see the water like rising more and more over here. This is the most scariest part right here. The water. I feel like one of these trees are gonna tip over right here. Just be safe, and we're just watching here in our Xbox. Yeah, but that's mostly it. Oh yeah, that's my brother over there. Taking out the trash, the rain. But anyways, hope you enjoy the video, like and subscribe.